NVIDIA Broadcast Technologies comes to CORSAIR iCUE, providing powerful noise cancellation and echo removal tools for the microphone on your iCUE-compatible CORSAIR Gaming Headset. What you'll need is a PC running Windows equipped with the latest version of CORSAIR iCUE, an NVIDIA RTX series graphics card, an iCUE-compatible audio device, and an internet connection to download the NVIDIA Broadcast Technologies plugin. All CORSAIR audio devices that are recognized by CORSAIR iCUE are compatible with NVIDIA Broadcast Technologies. This includes our lineup of wireless headsets, USB headsets, surround headsets while using the USB dongle, and iCUE-enabled headset stands like the ST100. To enable this feature, open up CORSAIR iCUE and navigate to your headset, and you'll find a new tab for NVIDIA Broadcast Technologies. Click on it and follow the prompts to install. Once installed, the NVIDIA Broadcast Technologies panel allows you to turn on noise removal and echo removal strengths. There's also a handy test mic and section that allows you to record a brief sample of your current settings and play it back over your headset so you can adjust to your preferences. And that's it, you're all done. NVIDIA Broadcast Technologies brings powerful AI effects to compatible systems using CORSAIR iCUE, allowing you to be heard more clearly than ever. Thanks for watching.